Hello and welcome to Dav Facts Channel, where we explore the nutritional wonders of nature's bounty. Today, we're delving into the world of berries, uncovering their extraordinary health benefits that make them a must-have in any balanced diet. Berries aren't just nature's candy. They're packed with an abundance of nutrients and antioxidants that can supercharge your health. Let's take a closer look at each berry and why they're nutritional powerhouses. Strawberries, the heart-healthy heroes. First up, we have strawberries, crowned as the heart-healthy heroes of the berry world. Strawberries are not only delicious but also rich in vitamin C, manganese, and a variety of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids. These compounds work together to reduce inflammation, support cardiovascular health, and may even enhance cognitive function. Blueberries, nature's brain boosters. Next on our list are blueberries, often hailed as nature's brain boosters. Blueberries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue hue. Research suggests that regular consumption of blueberries may help lower blood pressure, improve memory, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Raspberries, fiber-rich guardians of health. Now, let's talk about raspberries, the fiber-rich guardians of our health. Raspberries are a superb source of fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants like ellagic acid. Their nutrients contribute to digestive health, bone strength, and may even possess anti-cancer properties, making them a true nutritional powerhouse. Blackberries, the dark gems of nutrition. Last but certainly not least, we have blackberries, the dark gems of the berry family. Blackberries are brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants such as vitamin C and anthocyanins. Incorporating these dark beauties into your diet may boost immunity, promote skin health, and support healthy aging. From strawberries to blueberries, raspberries to blackberries, each berry offers a unique array of health benefits that can elevate your well-being. So, whether you're enjoying them fresh, blended into smoothies, or added to your favorite recipes, remember to savor the goodness of nature's treasures for a healthier, happier you. Thanks for joining us on this berrylicious journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on health and wellness. Until next time, stay berry healthy.